The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can take a look at them. You can also let me know what you think and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, I'm going to start with one of these videos, viewers and subscribers. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows a motorcycle stunt that almost went wrong. This video shows a motorcyclist who was doing a stunt on a motorcycle and almost had an accident. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you. But before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say this to each and every motorcyclist out there. Wear the proper protective gears when riding a motorcycle. Wear a helmet, wear the elbow pads, knee pads, shank pads. Wear the protective gears whenever you're riding a motorcycle. You see me? Those protective gears might save your life and can save your life if there's an accident while you're riding a motorcycle. Alright? Now I'm going to move on to more videos. Viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are out there on social media. And according to some things that have been said about these pieces of videos that I'm about to put together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it is said that these pieces of videos shows when a female musician who goes by the name of The Angel responded to some things that have been said about her on social media. It is said that The Angel was upset about some things that had been said about her on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I want to make you a while ago. You know, say me a girl, me talk a lot, but when I come talking, I got to talk the things them. When I know that don't. Me just get to understand say my name they all over social media and every blood clot blogger have my name. I say me I try dip up in the things and me I try get involved in the things that me don't know about. Me come out and me talk me a truth about me and my single mother blood clot self. So me never dip talk it. Me be not talk my truth. But my single mother self, me be not talk my truth weeks now. I put out my video and I twist my video now I say, oh me I try to get involved in the people thing and you know look good and this move in the blood clot and go. All the bloggers are broad the blood clot. I try to love talk and lift up my mouth, my back very broad. I mean I talk my truth as a single mother. I not gonna use it in another story. I say, oh God, if man and the woman just left, I know she'll come with pitney business. Look how long me I deal with that. Wanna take me long me I knew that I talk my truth. So I never know to me I never know my mouth lack of me can't talk my life and my truth as a mother when me a blood clot go through. Oh me get dragged in between a something here. Me know I'm gonna try and find a way for drag me in that something here, which me not mind, I'm not give a fuck. But don't twist my story. Don't twist up my thing and try to drop me in the middle. Like I'm not response to nobody in them relationship or them relation both or what the blood clot was happening because when me I go through my problem and my situation, me go through that by myself. You understand? So me I talk my truth. I wanna go say, oh me I try to get involved. I don't look good. Oh the blood clot look good. Me I talk my truth and I stand up as a mother. As a blood clot single mother too. I no can't me never talk nothing. Me never talk nothing. I drive. I must talk. So about me never talk. I'm not gonna do that. Must I talk overall? I defend women who are single mothers. I'm not ready to come drop down my throat. Oh, no one drop down my throat because me a weak fence. Me a weak fence. I'm never gonna do what?
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Pieces of videos that shows a female musician who goes by the name of The Angel, and according to some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, it is said that these pieces of videos shows when The Angel responded to some things that had been said on social media about her. You see me? So let me know what you think about some of the things that The Angel said in those pieces of videos that I just presented to you. And I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video shows when persons visited a volcanic activity area that is located somewhere within a country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. According to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, and according to news articles that I saw about some things that happened within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines, it is said that lava flow formed a thing that is known as a lava dome somewhere within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw more than one videos circulating on social media about a lava dome that had formed within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I saw more than one videos. But however, I'm going to present only one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah. Right? I have no confirmed information as to exactly when this video had been recorded, but however, this video is being talked about on social media. And I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at this video, and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
It's serious.
Viewers and subscribers, I think it is good to know what's going on out there in the world, other than the country that you're living in or the country that you're from. You see me? Yeah, I think it is good to know what's going on out there in the world, because really and truly, I never realized that there was such an active volcano within the country that is known as the St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You see me? And I'm not Mr. Know-It-All, right? I am not Mr. Know-It-All. You see what I'm saying to you? There are some things that I will know, and there are some things that I will not know. You see me? And I'm just being honest. I did not realize that there was such volcano activity going on within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You see me? And I'm just telling you the truth that I know. You see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.